If your PS5 headset is connected but you can't hear game audio, try this fix. Press the PS button on your controller right here on the top. Then we're going to go down and we're going to want to go to sound right there. Alright, so from sound, we're going to want to make sure that where it says output device, that it's set on headset controller. Okay, so it might be set on HDMI or maybe something else if you connected before. Next, we're going to check the volume. Make sure that it is not muted. So we're going to go ahead and turn that back up. So that might be a reason. Still don't hear sound, go ahead and unplug it and plug it back in and make sure that you push it all the way in. I know it sounds obvious, but there's been a couple of times where it was only halfway in like that and it wasn't stuck all the way in. It also counts as a restart for your PS5 controller by disconnecting and reconnecting it. If there's still no sound, make sure that the controller is plugged in and charging. Sometimes if it's low on battery, there might be issues. And even after, if there's still no sound, then I would do a full reset or turn off your PS5, turn it back on. And if there's still no sound, then I would recommend doing a reset of your controller. And how do we do that? We basically, in the back, there's a hole right there. You need a little pin like this. This is one of those SIM card pins. And what you're gonna wanna do, don't stick it in this hole, stick it in this hole, and then push down for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you'll see it says DualSense wireless controller disconnected. And once you turn it back on, it will be connected again. Then what we're gonna do is just go ahead and plug it in one more time. And hopefully now it's working. If this video has helped, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing. It really helps the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.